In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Target gift card to your Apple Wallet. First of all, we need to go to the App Store, and in the search we need to write Pass to You Wallet and search it. So we need to install this app, which is called Pass to You Wallet Add Store Card. I already installed this app, so I will open it. And the first thing we need to do is click Pass Store in the bottom menu. After that, you need to click the search in the top right and write Target. Right here, you need to search for Target gift card, and you need to choose this template, which is applied by more than 36,000. So let's choose this one and click the next in the top right. After that, we need to customize our card. We need to enter our card number and other details. And when we finish, we need to click the Done in the top right. Then click Add. And this will add the card to our Apple Wallet. So then you can go to the Apple Wallet, and right here you will see your Target gift card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.